A request for an exception lands on your screen, and the answer may appear straightforward. But when a banking decision affects money, approvals, or customer retention, the obvious answer is not always the right one. Before you act, pause and define the decision you are being asked to make. Then ask, what evidence do I need and where will I find it? Review the account history, relevant transaction data, customer interactions, and the policy governing the decision. Do not rely on the first piece of information that supports your initial reaction. Look for evidence that challenges it. Suppose a long-standing customer requests an exception. The account is in good standing, the transaction history appears strong, and approving the request could preserve the relationship. Based on that evidence, approval may seem reasonable, but the record also shows 3 recent customer escalations. Now the evidence does not tell one simple story. Ask yourself, which facts matter most? What assumptions am I making? What could make my initial conclusion wrong? You may be assuming that a strong account history makes this customer low risk. But the recent escalations could signal a problem that is not visible in the financial data. That conflict means the decision needs further verification. Review the escalation details, apply the relevant policy, and determine whether you have the authority and evidence to proceed. If the information is missing, unclear, or contradictory, involve a supervisor or the appropriate expert. Escalation is not avoiding the decision. It is protecting the decision, the customer, and your credibility. Critical thinking means gathering the right evidence, examining what does not fit, and knowing when another perspective is needed. Pause. Check the evidence. Challenge your assumptions. Then decide or escalate.